Hello all. Now I have just logged into my Zerodha Demat account. Now there is no position and the fund is 86,909 on date 04/08/2020. Now no order I have been placed, nothing. It is 08.855. Before 9 p.m. I just do these steps. Just log into my Demat account and go to my script page. This is my script page. I just logged out and logged in again. Okay, and just on this message. This is the only step I need to do before 9 a.m. Now my scripts are activated right now. Robo scripts are activated. So my scripts will run after some time. Now let's see how the market performing today. So now we will wait. As you can see, SGX Nifty is plus 21 point up, and dollar also up by 0.43 paisa. That means if dollar is increasing, Indian market will go down. But yesterday that happened also. Yesterday on 3rd August of 2020, Bank Nifty down by 558 point, and Sensex was down more than minus 600 point. So if dollar will increase, Indian market will go down. So I will wait for another 5 minutes. We'll see how first it will come. Most probably market will come on positive note because SGX Nifty is already plus 23 points. Actually, what I have done that my script will run from 9:25 to 3:30 p.m. 9:25 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So on an average day, it will give me around 35 to 40,000 per day. Now let me show you how it works. This script name is I given this script name is Karan. There are many scripts like Karan, Parsuram, and Sriram. Right now, I will not show you how the Sriram works because that is the main script I have created. I am just going to show you Karan, how Karan performs. So we are waiting for 2 minutes to go. You just need to understand that in stock market, every big companies, brokerage firm, investment banks, all are using this kind of scripts. So those who are trading manually, they will never gonna win. You can't beat a system until and unless you don't have a system. So I have created this robot trade because I have created a system to fight against the system. Because I know there are plenty of people, those who are doing robot trading. So it's called machine versus machine. But you guys are doing man versus machine. Man never beat a machine. Although man's logic idea can beat a system. So I have just put my all the algorithm complex logic into a system. So be careful if you don't have any machine or algo, algo trading system, then you should not come to stock market. It will burn your money immediately at no time. So be careful. So we are having the first tick. Nifty is down by minus 5 point. Now Nifty is plus 51 point. Now let's see. Like I said, my scripts will run after 9:25. First tick come at. So it is obvious that SGX Nifty is plus 25 point up. So it is obvious that Nifty will also open on a positive note. SGX Nifty is nothing but Nifty future. Now Sensex hit today more than 37,000. So almost Nifty is 40 point plus. Now Nifty is 50.0. So yesterday's profit booking now covering the market. So like I said, don't trade in the market manually if you don't have a system, a robo algo trading system, then you should not trade. Or else you should go for a fixed income, a fixed deposit. A different type of investments are there, but if you go for trading, so you must have a system, or else you will face problem. So be careful. So before 9:15, I can't place any order in option market. So I am waiting for 9:15, but my script will run at 9:25, not at 9:15. Now, Bank Nifty was closed yesterday at 21,072, 21,072 point. So basically, this robot trade on Bank Nifty. So we need to monitor Bank Nifty, how this Bank Nifty will work. Current is based on Bank Nifty. Parshuram is based on both Bank Nifty and Nifty. But I cannot disclose about Sriram. It's like miracle. So you need to wait for Sriram. Sriram code is almost like a miracle because it can give you, if you have investment of 1 lakh, it can within a day it can multiply 100 times, 200 times, or 500 times as well. That's why it is really precious. So I don't want to disclose right now, but yes, those who are really big investment investor, those who will gonna invest on me, on my company, buy many. I will definitely gonna show them how it works. But till now, till then I will not show anybody how Sriram will perform. Now Nifty is more than 52 points up. We will have a Bank Nifty first tick. I have shown you the fund you should have per current. You should have a fund at least around 90,000. Okay. Not more than that or less than that. Jai Sri Ganesaya Namah. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open at 176 point up. So I am waiting for, this is my Serum code. So what I have done is just log into the machine and just click on. By default, this one is will check, but you need to on this one. Okay. So we don't have to need to monitor this page. If it is already automated, we just need to monitor this page. How orders are placed and how position we are having and how execution are done. These are nothing. These are already. This is the background. This is the background of this script. I have automated this script, so we don't. It is all. We don't have to monitor this one. We just need to monitor this page. So Bank Nifty is around 21,245. Okay, almost 200 point, 176 point up. So it is 9:10 a.m. We need to market will start at 9:15, but my skip will start at 9:25. So I am waiting for 9:25. This is like Elon Musk rocket launch because I have failed so many times to create this script. But yes, once where you have created some machine like this, no, you don't have to do anything in your work, in your life. You just need to enjoy your freedom, financial freedom, every kind of freedom. In this world, if you have money, you can do anything. No, if you have system like this, you don't have to do anything. You just need to wake up in the morning and just on the system. The rest thing will be done by the system. You can do your own things. Not a single things you need to do. Yes, it is. It took me 18 years to create this system, but yes, finally I made this system. So let's enjoy this system together. Those who have invested on me or will invest on me, they will go. They will get long term benefit from it. This is my 18-year experience system. It wasn't a one night journey. So I am going to share with my loved ones, loving ones, my friends and family, all those who are connected with me directly or indirectly. First, I will show you how it works. Then you will get to know how this system generates me so much money. That's why I told you, do not trade in the market if you don't have a robot trading system. If you do, you can invest, but you should not trade. If you want to trade in the market, you should have a robo algo trading code, just like I am having current Parshuram or Sri Ram. So now we're waiting for another 2 minutes to open the market, and after that, after 10 minutes, we'll have the actions from my tips. So it looks like market will go up today because yesterday Dow Jones is also up. Dow Jones was up by, let me show you. Bank Nifty graph is awesome today. Let me show you. Dow Jones was 236 plus. So it is obvious that market will open on positive notes. It was really amazing to see your, if you have done any kind of code and you can see your code how it runs. It is really amazing feeling. Nothing satisfactory than this feeling. Now 1 minute to market will open at 9:15. Yes. market open on a really good positive notes. Bank Nifty 220 point up, and Nifty was 76 point up. That's a really good starting. Bank Nifty has to do 21,241, means 165 point up. So it's 220. C is around. I need to add 200. 21,200. Both C and P. It's already there. Yes. So 21,200 CP is running around. C is running around 356 and P running around 285. Yeah, this one and this one I'm talking about. I need to check the where the buyer and sellers are. Buyers are 348, sellers are 350. So this is a really awesome game. You need to see how it will really awesome. And it will done. It will my script will perform whole day. Means 6 hours 30 minutes automatically. I don't have to do anything. But today I am do certain manual action to show you how to stop the script. You must know everything, no? So it is 9:17, no action till 9:25 actions will be performed automatically. I have delayed the system. Initially, I have set the timing at 9:15, but I have seen certain kind of there are certain great algo traders are already in the market. Those who can chase you like anything. So that's why I have not compete with them. So I have delayed my system by 10 minutes. That is 09:9:25, and it will run every day. Because I don't want to compete with anybody. I just want to make sure my system is perform well and give me profit. So just one disclosure is there. There are hundreds of robot traders are there. Those who are really great at their field. So if you don't have a system, you cannot beat the market because they will always dominate you. They're like champs in this market. Okay, so be careful. Now it is 9:19. I am giving time to stabilize the market for in first 10 minutes. Then I will perform my actions. Means my robo will perform some actions. Remaining 5 minutes to go. Now Bank Nifty is coming down. Also Nifty is coming down. Bank Nifty is 21,200 is spot. So its C is running at 321 and P is running at 303. Okay. The Bank Nifty below, so I need to add I need to add 21,100 as well. So Bank Nifty is down to 21,183. Bank Nifty is running at 21,077. Is 558. 48. 76 remaining. 76 point remaining. 74. So, so according to my script, it is most probably it will hit 21,200. $20 to go. It will hit 21,200. 15 seconds to go. 10. 5. Okay. So let's check the positions. Like I said, it will hit my script 21,200 it hit. Okay. Now go to order status. It hit 21,200. Okay, now real thing is activated. Now see the order. Now Bank Nifty is recovering. Means I am showing you I am not doing anything. Okay. It just will take the actions from the market and perform accordingly. Bank Nifty is down to 21,079. Here what I am showing, I am not doing a single actions. Okay, it's like a machine. You just need to on the machine and see how it is working. So what I want to say is that this is the way how my system works. Okay. So if I want to stop this algo, I will show you how to stop this algo right now. Now market bank nifty is 8 point down, and my auto system is giving me almost like 4,000 profit. Okay, so let me show you how to stop this machine. First click on this one. Okay, then exit from here if you want to exit manually. Hold on a second. Generally I don't do manual trade, no, so that's why I forgot how to exit. Okay, I have modified modified the this my target to at 360. Okay, one is executed. Now positions. Generally, I don't do manually actions, but to show you how it is working, so I have done these manual actions. Okay, so this will run after every 15 minutes and generate you profit. Okay, depending upon the market. So I will also square up all the positions. I am doing this is manually because I just want to show you the process, or else it will automatically execute it. So this is the way within 25 to 25 minutes I have started, and at 37 I have stopped my script just to show you. At every 15 minutes it will generate me almost like 3000. Okay, I have manually exited from the system, but yes, it is this is the way. Just to show you how to stop the script, I have just off the system and executed manually, exit from the system manually. Okay, hope you guys understand this thing. Means I need to calculate certain things. Means I have generated now 2726 within 15 minutes. So this script will run 26 times a day. Means almost like 70,000, 86 per day. This will be the my income. So it is a really big system. Thank you so much, guys, watching for this system. But yes, I am going to share this video very soon. Thank you so much.